Hello folks, this is Steve AB for y'all. I have a close-up lens on. Do you ever go out and just snoop around some plants and see what's there? Can you see that guy right there? See that guy right there? See, I disturbed him, right? I've seen a couple of these in the yard today. Oh, as I was looking, you see these tendrils? See those tendrils? It's some kind of vine down here. See the shape of the leaf? See? Doesn't look like that. This is going to produce little watermelons. That's what they're going to look like. But I want to show you one of the two real beauties of the day. I'm going to see if I can figure out the species. Is it a moth or is it a butterfly? What do you think? And he was somewhere else. I moved him. See? See? Now he didn't go, oh. He's flying away. She's flying away. Oh, wait a minute. That could have been lunch for somebody else if they flew into the right place. Now pardon my camera work. You see what it's doing? Pardon my camera work. See what it's doing? I didn't make that vibrate that way. The spider's doing that. It gets a signal on the web. Look what it's doing. Isn't that beautiful? I disturbed it. Go away, he's saying. Still doing it. Alright? Yeah, the flowers are really like that. Still doing it. Steve AB for you. Just loving nature. Saying see you in 73.